Dear friends, do you all know
what is evolution?
Can you tell me so? Time has changed and generations too.
Stories of life have changed anew.
Hereditary changes happen in living beings.
That is evolution.
That is the truth it brings.
A great lesson from the history of life.
A truth that science tells us in life.
This is a long journey through the ages.
These are the pathways of evolution stages.
Tell me, friends, can you say
who gave the theory of evolution this way?
Charles Darwin, the great scientist, gave the theory of natural selection. He said that living beings with useful traits will survive and move ahead through generations.
Their favorable qualities are passed along
from parents to offspring,
carrying on.
This is Darwin's famous theory.
This is nature's everlasting story. The stages of natural selection.
Can you tell the 4 sections, children?
Overproduction comes at first.
Variations follow in the universe.
The struggle for survival comes next. Survival of the fittest is the final text. Remember the story of the steamed bread that disappeared.
A simple trick to keep it clear.
O,
overproduction. V, variations.
S,
struggle. Survival.
Who was Lamarck, can you say?
What was his idea and his way?
Jean-Baptiste Lamarck,
a scientist who gave evolutionary thoughts.
The organs that are used become stronger.
He said they develop and grow longer.
Unused organs slowly fade away
and gradually disappear one day.
Such changes, he believed,
are inherited by the next generation indeed. Fossils tell the stories of the old.
The first evidence of evolution they hold.
Through this pathway of learning today, we are moving forward on the scientific way.
Can you tell what fossils are?
And what evidence they are?
The marks of ancient living beings, protected within the rocks they remain. Their remains and impressions are called fossils. They stand as records of time's chronicles. They remain as pages of history's book and become evidence of evolution. When we look, what are homologous organs?
Can you give examples too?
They have the same origin,
their structure shows similarity.
though their functions may differ.
They have a common ancestry.
The human hand and the whale's forelimb are examples that clearly show this.
They are homologous organs,
showing evolutionary relationships. What are analogous organs?
Can you explain them too?
Their functions appear the same,
but their origin and structure differ.
they are formed through different paths.
To adapt to the environment
The wings of a bird
and the wings of a butterfly too
are analogous
organs
showing the diversity of evolution. What are the evidences of evolution?
Can you name them all?
Fossils are the first evidence. Similarity of organs is another one.
Similarities in embryology also
Reveal evolutionary relationships.
on the pathways opened by science.
The stories of life shine brightly. What is human evolution?
How did humans become what they are?
Through millions of years,
A long journey has passed.
from ancient ancestors,
The story of humanity has grown,
changes and natural selections
shaped the forms we see today.
towards modern human beings.
It became
A wonderful evolutionary journey. We asked the questions and learned the lessons. We sang the answers and gained the knowledge. Through the pathways of evolution, we discovered the world of science.
towards the path of success.
This song will guide us every day.
Dear children, only when both you and I are confident about what we have understood through today's learning song can we say that this musical learning journey has truly achieved its purpose. Therefore, to help you evaluate your own understanding, I am going to ask you a few questions. You should write down the answers to these questions in your notebook using your own knowledge and your textbook, without asking anyone else. After completing them, you should send your answers to me. Only then will our learning journey of today reach its complete fulfillment. Now, here are my questions. 1. What is evolution? 2. What was Lamarck's main idea? 3. What are the 4 major stages of Darwin's theory of natural selection? 4. What information do we obtain from the study of fossils? 5. What is meant by the survival of the fittest? 6. What does Darwin's theory of natural selection explain to us? 7. Can you explain Lamarck's theory of use and disuse? Dear children, the answers you prepare for these questions will be the true evidence of how well you have understood this lesson. To enjoy and receive more science learning songs in this Learn Through Songs series, you may subscribe to this channel and become a primary member. For that, write your name along with PMS and the language of your choice and send a message to the number 90610322271. Learning songs covering all science subjects including biology, physics, and chemistry will be made available to members. With these words, I conclude our learning journey for today. Let us meet again with another beautiful learning song in the next session. Thank you. Namaste. Yours lovingly, Evan from Sindorakuruvi.